In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order status on Best Buy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect on the screen so you can quickly confirm where your purchase stands. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Best Buy website by typing bestbuy.com into the address bar. Make sure you're on the correct site by checking for a secure connection and the recognizable Best Buy logo on the home page. This helps you avoid misleading ads or lookalike pages and keeps your information safe. Once you're on the home page, look for the order status link. On desktop, you'll usually find it at the very top of the page near the account and cart icons, or you can scroll to the bottom footer where important links are grouped. On a phone or tablet, tap the menu icon to expand the navigation and locate order status there. If you still don't see it, try the site's search bar by typing order status, which will take you to the same place. Click order status. This brings you to a dedicated page for tracking your purchases. From here, the page will guide you to view your orders. If you have a Best Buy account, signing in lets you see all recent orders in one place, which is especially helpful if you shop frequently. If you checked out as a guest, you'll typically be prompted to provide a few details from your confirmation, such as your order number and the last name or zip code used at checkout. Keeping your confirmation email handy will make this step quicker. After you access your order, you'll see a clear status summary. Common updates include processing, shipped, ready for pickup, out for delivery, delivered, or delayed. If your item is shipping, you'll often see a tracking link once the carrier scans the package. For store pickups, look for the location, pickup window, and what you need to bring when you arrive. If something shows as delayed, the page usually includes an estimated new date or a note explaining the holdup. A couple of quick tips. Refresh the page if the status seems out of date and give it a little time after you place an order for the first update to appear. If you move or change your contact information, make sure your account details are current so notifications reach you. That's it. Go to Best Buy's website, click order status, and follow the on-screen prompts to see the latest on your purchase. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.